Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Ford Kuga ST line. Now of course you get LED daytime running lights, full front parking sensors, you then get automatic halogen headlights, you then get these freshly refurbished diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Round to the rear now, you also get rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top here. Then inside the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've then also got your pull-out privacy shelf, which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept inside the tailgate. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back now, we've got part leather, part Alcantara interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around. You've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control in the front. Then of course, coming up to the top, we have your infotainment display, which has your various audio sources. Sorry, satellite navigation is just here as well. I might as well show you this now. Then of course, you tap source. It will cycle through the various options. I've got that completely wrong. Then you go into audio, tap sources. You have your various sources here now, finally. Then over to the steering wheel. We've got your onboard computer controls on the left, cruise control speed limiter just below. Over to the right, we've got your track select, volume and voice assistant just there. As you can see, this Ford Kuga has done 79,318 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Kuga, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.